The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Making his way to the ring from Vietnam, weighing in at 379 pounds, T-Rex.
Big time match on tap. When the competition level is this high, you can bet it will be memorable. He said he'll be making a statement in this match tonight and will deliver it emphatically.
And his opponent, representing the Assassins, from Ho Chi Minh, Vietnam, weighing in at 223 pounds, Susan.
You are looking at some highly motivated competitors in this match, looking to steal the show and capture the attention of the entire WWE Universe.
He says it's all about dominance tonight and plans on showing why everyone backstage should be scared.
And you are looking at one of the most unshakable superstars on the roster.
Absolutely a picture of resilience. He's been through ups and downs, but has never given up the fight.
Bitter perseverance is what will make him such a threat in this matchup.
Coming into this fight, his opponent's been boasting a new, more aggressive attitude. We'll have to see if that new approach will produce any dividend.
He's turning the tables. What a shot! Oh, foot just stomping down. Oh, jaw-shattering. Into the corner he goes, a perfectly placed target. Oh, impressive counter. Great reversal.
Arms trapped. Just endless knee strikes.
Right across the face.
Using the foot to their advantage.
This is dirty.
Now he's been put on the defensive.
Bad vibration.
Kick lands.
He knows how to avoid contact.
Jarring impact. And shoulders are down.
That's still a quick kick out at this point. Oh, man, right to the arm.
Hyperextend your elbow. And he's just picking him apart now.
Just a steady dose of punishment on display.
Saw that one coming.
That might be what gets him out of jeopardy.
Oh, my. Down with authority. Oh, kick connects.
Oh, man, landing awkwardly.
Cover. And quick getting the arm up.
Keeping the loss at bay for now.
Bad predicament right here.
Nasty elbow shots, trying to create separation.
Wrenches the arm. Drop kick. Beautiful.
He's getting pushed under the defensive.
Yeah, but you can't count anyone out yet. This match could still go either way.
Perched up top. Diving knee drop. He could do it here. And a shoulder in the air.
Kicking out there really has to make his opponent question his game plan. Brutal series of kicks.
Still going. Good grief.
Good night.
He is in complete control.
Into the pin attempt. There's two. Amazing.
I'm pretty sure everyone in the building thought that was going to be the end of it, myself included.
You got to imagine this match has a different complexion after what we just saw.
Just defenseless as the momentum is against him.
Yeah, the defects in his game are leaving him vulnerable. Just cranking the head.
Holding the shoulder hostage now. Oh, he retaliates. Oh, look at this. German suplex. And not done yet. Another German. And continuing to punish their opponent with a German.
What a shot.
Caught with a punch.
Being carried around with ease. Oh, what a throat.
Armbar, leg lock, submission.
Will this match end on a Oh, man. Quick as a cat, just like that. That was a thing of beauty. Placing them into the corner. Oh, what a kick. Bang. Dangerous position with your feet tied up like that.
Hung in the tree of woe. Hits to the core like that'll render you useless.
Oh, right to the kidneys.
Ooh.
Oh, target in the arm. This has got to hurt. Saw that one coming. Took advantage.
Oh, vicious knee lift.
And a poison run.
Good luck getting up from that.
The cover. 1, 2. No, stops the count at 2.
I am in shock. What's it gonna take to keep this guy down? Going way up high.
Ooh. I don't think from the top. Reversal. Can he take advantage? He can end it here. He's got him. 1, 2. Got it. No, just a 2.
This is going to come down to who wants it more. Here it comes, Corey. Here we go. Huge shots up. That puts him in total control. 2.
Easy, put him away. That's a pretty big win. And here's another glance at these superstars in action. certainly proved himself a superstar to watch with this one.
To quote a pair of awesome scholars, in life, there are winners and there are losers. We are looking at a winner right